So if you've been following my YouTube videos, you know that we started flipping this account from $26, and right now we are at $4,800. So we started using a match bot, but right now we are using a rise and fall bot because I've come to see this is the most powerful bot, and in this video is going to explain why it's going to flip this account from $4,800 to over $100,000. Then I'll do a live withdrawal. Okay, so let's see if it's possible. So I've already done the settings. Just make sure the contract type is at both, the stake $20 and the volatility 31s. With that confirmed, let's run our bot. And before I run the bot, let me show you, this is my USD account, different from my demo account. And you can see in the journal I'm using my USD account, so there are no edits here. This is real money. Okay, so I run the bot. Let's see. Shit, how can I just start with a loss? But you've seen I've recovered, so let's go. $40 already. How much should I target for this session? Maybe I feel like making some clean $500, but let's see. Already at 114. Shit, I spoke too soon. So made one loss there, so we are at a total loss of 2. Let's see. Oh, is it because today is on a Sunday? That's why I'm experiencing so many losses, because this is my 4th loss, but I'm still in profit. Let's just hope we don't get many losses. Yeah, that's how I want to see it. So maybe this is the reasons why we shouldn't be trading in the weekend. But you can see the bot is trying to actually get the perfect entries by executing rise and fall whenever it spots a perfect moment. Okay, so you are not going to do any analysis, let the bot do everything for you. So let's see. Let's go. I'm very psyched up today because making money is so sweet, guys. So sweet. And already at 354, a loss there. So you just relax, you let the bot run. That's how it works. It's plug and play, no analysis. You can see I'm not doing any analysis. It's just plug and play, guys. I haven't done any analysis. Okay, I've just decided, let me do some few trades, and I took my phone, load the bot. You can see. So this is a perfect moment. This is a really perfect moment. So we're already at $500 here, moving on nicely. We are moving nicely. Only 8 losses live, 8 losses only. So let me hit like $700 or $800, then I'll just end the video. And you're going to wait because there's a update I'm doing. It's a free tool for everyone. Okay, it's going to be crazy. So I'm really excited to launch it because nobody has such a thing. I'm the only one who has it, and I've decided I'm going to give it for free to my community. So that's why I haven't been posting on the BBFX AI or the Train Me, because those are outdated. This is going to be the new thing. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm just trading using this because I can't stop trading. I love making money. So let me not do a lot of talking. I've already done a lot of talking, so let it just hit, actually let it hit $1,000, then I'll stop trading. So $915. So if you like watching my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you join my Telegram channel so that you get daily updates on these bots. Okay, sometimes I can just decide to give out this bot for free, and If you're not in my Telegram channel, how will you how are you going to receive it? Okay, so you see we've made $1,048.84. Crazy, right? You see it? It's crazy. You see? Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe.